Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make reels on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. In order to create reels on Facebook, you need to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Facebook's menu page. Over here at the top, you want to go to your profile, so you want to click on your profile picture or your profile name. Mine says Kevin Witchy, but in your case it should show you whatever name you have. Just click on it and it's going to bring you to your Facebook profile. Now once you're in your Facebook profile, you can see this option called Posts, Photo, Reel. Well, we want to go on the Reels section, so we will click on Reels. And over here, you have this option called Create Reel. So click on Create Reel and click on Camera. Now you can start recording any video you want over here, just like this. So this is going to be my reel. And I click on Next and I write something random over here. And I click on Share Reel. And my reel will be uploaded just like this. So that's how you guys can make reels on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. As you guys can see, my reel has been uploaded over here. I'll see you guys next time.